Here is an exercise for you. Please fork this REPL, and inside this REPL you will find a directory, files. If you expand that, you will find two other directories. If you expand the first directory, you will find two more directories inside that directory. And if you expand each of them, they have files. The same goes for the other directory of files. So we have 2021 and 2022, which has also December, November, and each of them have files inside. So basically we have three directory levels here. Your task is to rename all these files. The new names will be something like this: 2021 December a.txt. The same goes for the other file, so 2021 December b.txt. And also you have the other folders here. For example, this one in here, this would be 2022, so another folder, December-e.txt. So the rule of each of the file name is that they will contain their folder and their upper folder. So you can call them parent, grandparent. So the parent and the grandparents will be in the name of the file. So focus and enjoy the exercise, and in the next video you will see my solution. See you.